So now, since we got the door panel out of the way, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys today on how to remove the rear view mirror. Here's the plug right here. Let's go ahead and unplug and remove the plug from the body. Pull back on this sound barrier stuff, because we got to get the harness around it out of the way, like so. Here it is. And then let's push this back and turn it this way. There's 3 number 10s, 1, 2, and then 3 through this hole. It fell down. If it falls, watch the video on how to remove the speaker. You can get behind it. The bolts are going to be right down here. I'll drop them on purpose, and then we'll remove the speaker, and I'll show you guys how it goes. Let's say I dropped all the bolts in the door, and I went ahead and removed the mirror. Comes out very simple, like so. You can guide it. Make sure you guide this harness all the way through, because it tends to like to get hung up. But that's it, really. Very simple. How to remove and replace and reinstall a door mirror, side view mirror. I don't know what you want to call it. It's a mirror at the end of the day. If it looks like a mirror, functions like a mirror, then it's a mirror.